Hello everybody, here is Michał Stanikowski and today I will show you a gear which helps to break in and bring out the best tones in your guitar. And this all without playing the guitar. One of the secrets of great sounding instruments is the fact that they have been played in for thousands of hours. The ToneRite accelerates the play-in process by using a set of subsonic frequencies to simulate the same physics as long-term playing. I'm not sponsored, I didn't get this ToneRite gear from them. I'm very happy that I have this and can use for all my instruments. How to do it? Simply attach the ToneRite whenever you are not playing and expect to hear a dramatic increase in resonance, balance and range after only a week's worth of use. I will show you how to use it. Place your instrument in a soft, safe place. Place the ToneRite so the feet are between your instrument's strings, near to the bridge. Plug the power cord into an appropriate electrical outlet. Adjust the setting of the power controller. The lower settings create a sweeter tone, while higher settings gives more projection and volume. I use it when I'm not able to play the instrument because of injuries or holiday breaks, because of having a few instruments, and when I just don't use this one special guitar, or I'm trying to break in a new instrument effectively. I use it also a day or two before the concert, when I practice less. This is the time when I use ToneRite to keep my instrument warm. If you want to see how I play in new guitar with strategy and innovative methods, check my video here. That's all for today. I hope you found some value from this video. If you have any questions or maybe you are interested in deepening this topic, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned and stay totally guitarized with me and see you next time. Don't forget the bell, the thumb up and abo.